welcome back to Ravi Maths Page channel. Today we are going to solve some word problems which is related to real life. So based on the topic is HCF and LCM. See here we have here two questions are there. Once see this question. Find the greatest number which divides 34, 60 and 85, leaving remainder of 7, 6 and 4 respectively. So one more question. Find the greatest number which will divide 264 and 168, exactly leaving a remainder of 8 in each case. Then how to solve here? First we have to understand the question properly. So if you understand the question means it is for very easy. Once you see here, what is here? Find the greatest number. So we should find out the greatest number. Let it is a, just I am explaining for understanding. Let it is a x. So it is the greatest number. We don't know, we should find out. So this greatest number, what he are doing here? So this greatest number divides 34. So meaning is it divides 34 as well as 60 as well as 80, 85. It divides means what you will get here? X divides 34 means 7 you will get remainder. So here what you will get here? 6 you will get. Here what you will get? 4 you will get. This is the question. Understand clear? Then we should find out this x, greatest number. So how to find out here? So remember already we know what we know here. X should be less than of the dividend. X should be less than of the dividend. So less than means what we are going to find out here? We are going to find out the HCF. We are going to find out the HCF. Why? Because HCF is a highest common factors that divides the given number. Meaning is automatically HCF is a smallest number compared to given numbers. Like this we have to take. Either it is LCM or HCF means based on the question we are going to identify. Okay. Now how to do this problem? How to do? So question you understand proper means solution is very easy. How to do this problem is very simple here. First, from these three numbers we have to subtract these reminders. That is the step 1. So first solution. First what we should do? From 34 I have to subtract remainder, that is 7. What you will get answer here? 27 you will get. From 60 if I subtract 6, what you will get? 54. From 85 if I subtract 4 means, so answer will get 81. So this is the first step. So how to solve means, first whatever reminders are there here, so that reminders subtract from the given numbers, then we will get the new number. So for this new numbers we are going to find out the HCF. So how to find out the HCF? So we have how many methods are there? Already we discussed in the previous videos. We have 4 methods are there. Listing factor method, factorization method, prime factorization method and common divisor method, long division method. Out of 4 methods, which method is very easy? So which method easy means? Common divisor method. Common divisor method is very easy. So I am applying here common divisor method. Already we know the steps how to find out the HCF by using common divisor method or common factor methods. Okay. So first we know the prime numbers. What are the prime number? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. These are the prime numbers. So we should take common prime number of these 3 numbers. Common prime number of these 3 numbers. So 2 is not a common number of this 3 number, but 3 is a common prime number of this 3. So that's why I am considering 3 here. 3 nines here, 3 ones. So 24 means 80. 3 eights 24, and here 3 2 6, 3 sevens 21. So 27 divided by 3 means you will get 9 is answer. 54 is divided by 3 means you will get 18 answer. 81 is divided by 3 means you will get 27 answer. Again we should take the common factor of these numbers. Again, what is the common factor of this number? So common factors means, so prime number only we should consider. So common prime number of this number. So again I can consider 3. 3 3s 9, 3 6, 3 6 18, 3 9s 27. Again I can take 3 ones, 3 twos, and 3 threes. Finally, what we got here? Here 1, here 2, here 3. These are the quotient. So these 3 numbers common factor what here? So these 3 numbers does not consist common factor. So that's why here stop the process. Stop the process. Then HCF is equal to multiply these numbers 3 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 27. Which is equal to 27. Therefore, answer is what? The greatest number is 27. So instead of x, we should take 27. If I divide 34 with 27 means what you will get answer? So remainder you will get 7. Once you check out also, here also 27, here also 77. Therefore, greatest number is, what is the greatest number? 27. Like this we have to do. It is the process. So understand here? Okay. Now second question. Once see the second question. Find the greatest number which will divide 264 and 168, exactly leaving remainder of 8 in each case. So once see how to observe this question and this question. Here 3 numbers are getting 3 different reminders, but here 2 numbers are there, but in both cases remainder is common. It is a common remainder. Meaning is, so this greatest number divides 264 means you will get a remainder is 8. So 168 also will get 8. Once see this, suppose. What is the meaning here? 264 which is divided by what is the number? Greatest number. We don't know, that is x. So in the same manner, 168 also divide means you will get the answer is. So 168 also divide with x means we will get the remainder is here 8, here also 8. Then we should find out the x. X means greatest number. How to find out? Here also we should apply the same procedure of the first problem. Okay? What is the first problem procedure? First step is just whatever remainder is there, that remainder we have to subtract from the given numbers. Meaning is 264 minus 8, which is equal to 256. Now 168 minus 8 is equal to 160. Then what is step 2? Step 2 is HCF. By using which method? Easy method, that is common factor method or common divisor method. So 256, 160, common means, so I can take 2. Why? Because here ones place 6, here 0 there. So 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 eights, here 2 eights, 2 8 is there. Again 2 6, 2 fours, 2 40 is there. Again 2 threes, 2 twos, 2 20s. Again 2 16, 2 10s. Again 2 8s and 2 5. 2 8s and 2 5. 8 and 5 does not consist any common factors. We have to stop the process. So two numbers should be consist of the common factor except 1. Okay. Yes. Now HCF is equal to what here? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which is nothing. 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 32. So 32 is the greatest number that divides 264 means you will get 8 remainder. Now 168 also we will get a remainder 8 only. So you can check out the answer. You will get a answer correct only. Therefore 32 is the greatest number. Instead of x we should replace 32. Here also 32. So very simple problems. If you understand the question means, so answer is very easy. Answer is very easy. Understand here. Okay. I hope you understand the problems. Please do subscribe to my channel. If it is useful means share to your friends. Until take care. Bye bye.